Alrighty, let's go ahead and get these plasma rods replaced. So this light right here is the plasma rod, and it should just pull off. Bam, there's one. Pull on out. Bing bang boom. Now I gotta clean all this gunk that's still on there off. Oh well, I gotta keep going. Alright, got it all cleaned up. Got the wire right here where it needs to be run. Now I just gotta peel it and stick it. There we go. Lined up where I want. Taking too long, let's try this. There we go. Let's go ahead and get that light pulled off. Alrighty, time to get this one hooked up. And we'll go over here. Figure out where that's on what. No, not there, which right. There, oh geez. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get wire routed, plug it in, throw the saddlebag back on. This is a lot better. Heck yeah.